Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name? Face the camera now. What's your name? My name is Yuna Adekunle. Everybody knows. Hell yeah, what's your name?
My name is Oyinda Mola.
Rinda Mola. Oh, I'm sorry for the other time. That your shoe. This shoe now. Oh, sorry. So what other thing do you want to say?
Um,
You
about
say
my there's one woman at our area.
hmm,
We nicknamed her Yakmonska.
yeah, Maska. What does Maska mean?
Good. It is like acronyms of what she does. She
Yeah.
gossips.
Ah,
People do say she's a witch,
Jesus
but I don't
is
know. I don't
Lord.
believe so.
no, like Maska, like
Monska.
Maska.
Ọmọ wọn náà ló jẹ́ ká máa pè wọ́n ní Monska.
And how now?
And that's just a nickname. Like, is if for example now you are going and you're like Ibo Lonlo, so they know Yakmaska. Like everybody knows that okay, that woman.
How do that Maska come to name? To her name?
My
smoky
little
Like
sister.
Maska, or as in, did you guys just give her that nickname? As in just Maska?
Like it was my little sister that was like our fellow right, Dulodon. So it was not like Molasa
God
Mommy
have mercy
Monska,
upon us.
and we were like Monska was so. We now follow that to where she was talking about. We
You
now
know,
follow
like,
that.
it's that
So
woman.
since that time, like people sister. I think that
Everybody was not like Maska.
That's
You get
Some
it?
people they give person name.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
What is your Maska can do you?
I want problems always.
So on this
Hey.
fateful day,
Avec Maska, oh yeah, no.
she gossips a lot. So on this fateful day, she didn't know that I was at home.
It is smoky.
So she went to go and meet my mom and my granny that ọmọ yín àwọn rí lẹ́yìn kíní kan
Ah.
ọmọ kan rùn and I was sick inside.
Run biti bawo, as in which kind of run?
Maybe due to me I have like a good
Look at my
relationship
face.
with guys.
Like I could have killed a lot of
usually vibe
people.
with them, so they feel like you know how this thing
Maybe the woman Yak Maska have always been seeing you with guys at Runu. Do you understand?
No. That's our own belief that anytime a lady is wearing a very good clothes and she's
Being
just like
prepared.
yes, that
Let's
definitely
be poor.
So,
Breathe.
kila la mommy or daddy don't want to kill no so.
so on this fateful day I also want my own something man pé oh gbọ́n kan sí àpọ̀nská truly I used to go out but like gbogbo time tó dẹ̀ fi sọ it's not as mo kéré as ma like
But even that day that Yak Maska come to your house, do you understand? Your parents were at home, right?
I was very sick inside
And
so
even
that
you
drip
yourself.
lọ́wọ́.
Mommy was
Since you get wine.
So she just came, Ekule, because whenever she's like she comes to our house, I'm also